Hey, what's going on, guys? Getting ready to use this ladder's little helper here. So I did a quick review earlier to let you know just kind of some of the features of it, to show you how it had this really cool rubbery or vinyl type padding on here to keep your ladder safe, and steel, and then the padding on the inside here to keep your gutter safe and to keep it from sliding around while your ladder's against it. So now I'm out here at my shed. I'm going to actually give it a shot myself and see if it does what I think it's supposed to do, and just let you know if it actually seems like it's worth the investment. So first off, like I mentioned before in my other review, is that you need some type of pole or stick or something to actually get it up on your gutter, unless you're super tall. But I just went and grabbed a broom out of my shed, and it fits on there perfectly. So just grab it. You find a good spot on your gutter that doesn't have any clamps in there. There we go. And then you just set it there like that. So I'll set my broom down. And now I want you to pay attention to how my ladder is sitting there now. So typically you have a ladder up against your gutter, it slides and rocks. So in theory, I'm going to move my ladder down, set it on that ladder's little helper, and it's going to help stop some of that sliding, which of course damages the gutter and isn't stable. So put that up against there, make sure I'm square. And you can see, like, I'm sliding it. Of course, it's still going to move some, but it actually does a really good job at keeping the ladder still. I'm going to raise up a little bit higher because I'm at too much of an angle. And that actually, when I put it at a proper angle, makes it even more solid. So I'm going to say, for the price of this thing, what you really get, and just the potential of saving damage on your gutter or someone else's gutter, and you know just the potential problem of your ladder sliding down, that's definitely worth it. I think it's a pretty cool product. I'm definitely glad that I have it, and we'll keep it around.